GM Crash Avoidance Safety Engineer.
I'm here to talk about the forward collision alert camera being offered on the GMC Terrain. The forward collision alert camera feature also includes lane departure warning, so together they provide a very affordable package for safety features. Okay, what the camera does, it operates very much like the human eye. It's looking for lane markings and vehicles ahead. This feature uses a digital camera with high resolution and analyzes 14 frames per second. Forward collision alert system operates at speeds above 25 miles an hour. So when you're above that speed and it sees a vehicle ahead, you'll get a green vehicle ahead detected icon. And then if you're following too closely, you'll get a red solid bar that will come on the visual display to let you know that you're tailgating. And if you're approaching a vehicle too rapidly, that display will flash and you'll get a series of high-pitched beeps. The brakes are actually pressurized to prepare you for braking if you need to. The controls for the forward collision alert lane departure warning systems are located on the left side of the steering wheel. And what those controls allow you to do is turn both systems on or off with forward collision alert. In addition, you can adjust the timing. The alert timing settings allow you to adjust actually the distance at which you'll get the alert. The lane departure warning system activates at 35 miles an hour. When you get above that speed and the system sees there are lanes ahead, you'll get a green icon. If you drift out of the lane without your turn signal on, you'll get an amber icon which flashes. GMC takes safety very seriously. In the case of forward collision warning, it can help you prevent or at least avoid the damage caused by a rear-end accident to a vehicle ahead. And for lane departure warning, it can help you if you're drowsy or maybe temporarily distracted